Hello friends, welcome to another video series on my YouTube channel. In this video series, I will show you how you can create an object detection project end-to-end using TensorFlow Lite Model Maker. TensorFlow Lite Model Maker is an easy to use interface to create different machine learning models like image classification model, object detection model, and text classification, etc. In this series, we will use TensorFlow Lite Model Maker and create an object detection project. In the first tutorial, we will download the images from Google Image for our dataset, then annotate those images. Then we will create a dataset from the downloaded images and separate them into training, validation and testing set. Once the dataset is created, we will develop the model, and in the final part of the series, I will show you how you can serve the developed model using Python Flask API. So stick around to this video series and let's get started. See you on the other side of the video. If you like my work, then please considering subscribing to my channel. Peace.